Now today it is the 22nd of June 2021. Here's what is it?
Taivaanpankontie.
At 29 staircases. And we have 5 staircases in this residential building. All of them 5 are connected outside the intercoms, but we got inside them. And we can go through the here to the basement corridor there. There are 4 floors here. Or a ground floor corridor. Built in 1967, turning 55 years old in next year, 2022. And the serial number is H15485 and it's going to be inspected in 2023. Just 3 person appointments. Only 4 floors with still elevators in all of these staircases.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And even though there's been renovation, but they are still original.
Yeah.
This is in Puijonlaakso, one of the suburbs of Kuopio in Pohjois-Savo, Northern Savo region, Finland. I love the smell in here.
Same here.
MB in 6 fixtures. And a bit different panel than the 1966 ones, where I have filmed, I think, almost all. Somebody is coming to Sting Sea, but we are going down soon.
Yeah.
You can press the button.
Spektiippaa kiva inspektää, että menee eteenpäin ovimatic.
Yeah, not the best possible maintenance. Cheap one. But they took the stairs.
Yeah. That's